description.
Wrong house. I'm so sorry. Wrong house. Wrong house. Sorry.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I got something. This is not in order. This is one I'm rushing out because Halloween is just about here, and I don't know, maybe this is more of a Thanksgiving thing, but it just seemed like pumpkins, Halloween, hacking. Pumpkin pie. Cup noodles pumpkin pie. Now, it used to be cup noodles pumpkin spice. I went through these ingredients and these nutrition facts. It's the same thing. There's no difference in any of the text here and here, except for the spacing is slightly different. It does have a different barcode, so let that be known. But I don't know, maybe the recipe or the directions for cooking has changed, because it's 3 minutes cooking in the microwave at 1,000 watts and then let it sit for 2. And that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna do this up extra special. I hope I can get this. I think 5 minutes should be enough time. So let's get her spinning. All right. So, as you might or probably didn't notice, I don't have a bowl. Why don't I have a bowl? Wait, I do have a bowl. There it is. So that is what this is going to be served in. And I have a cleaver. See, it's already getting kind of Halloween, isn't it? So what I'm going to do... Is that too high? Is that too low? I guess we'll find out. I've never done this. This is crazy. All right. Bye-bye. So now we got that, and now I gotta get those guts out. Ah, the smell. So we've got these squirrels that we feed, and it sounds to me like squirrels like pumpkin. Oh, this is a little deep, isn't it? Well, let's get it hollowed out first. Yeah, it sounds like squirrels like to eat pumpkins. Oh, is my phone dying? Here, we can fix that. We can fix that. No, no, no. Don't die on me. There you go. I do have a pumpkin carving kit next to me, but I think this shouldn't be too bad. I mean, how bad can it be? Pretty bad. Yeah, I know. They had gourds too. I thought a gourd might look cool. It's already killing my spoon here. Let's get our hands deep in. It's small. It can't take long. Yeah, I like Halloween. I don't like the mess. I don't like performing surgery on large things like this, but whatever. I wonder if the squirrels will want to eat the seeds. Oh, crap. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, that should go off, and we should be ready to rock. And this is way too deep. Way, way, way too deep. Okay. It's just gonna look like a pile of noodles in a hole. I think it's gonna look like that either way, but here, let's move these extra bits of guts over here. I don't want my robot vacuum to choke on this stuff. But yeah, I'm under the gun. Let's go a little bit lower. Now it's slippery. I don't like that. Yeah, I know. Uh-oh. Whoa. Now we're getting crazy. I should have stayed with what I had going on there. I think. I just don't want to cut myself. My wife doesn't want me to either. That would be like, I would get the stink eye from hell. But, you know, we're almost there. And it's going way too deep. Just a little bit. Right. All right. Hey, I think that worked. So now we got our off-centered pumpkin bowl. Alexa, stop. All right. So guess I could wash this thing out. That might work the easiest. Pumpkins are weird. Oh my God, now I'm soaked. Shut up! The ramen raider's getting cranky, folks. But I think we almost got it. Okay, I'm going to dry this thing off. And I think that's about as far as I'm willing to go on pumpkin surgery. That's not bad. Make a huge mess. You just got water everywhere. And water doesn't stain. Did you know that? Okay. Let's see what we do with those seeds at some later date. So, of course, I gotta taste it. Cool, that worked out. So here is our cup noodles pumpkin pie, flavored, what have you. Okay. And you stir it up, and you're all set. I took the original one. It's funny they call it pumpkin pie now because the original pumpkin spice variety, I took that stuff and I used a little hand blender. If you're looking at this on www.theramenraider.com, you can see the video also where I made a pumpkin pie. I took this stuff, ran it through a blender, and then cooked it, and then used one of those pre-made pie crusts and made a pumpkin pie that way out of it. And I still gotta say, that's decent. You know, for all the different varieties they've come, they did like everything bagel. That was kind of a eh. They did a bunch of different stuff. They did the s'mores one. That was kind of a ugh. Oh, that's weird looking. But exactly what I was going for. Perfect. Look at that. That doesn't look right. It's about to get weirder too. I really wish I could have found my what do you call it? My nutmeg, because nutmeg would have been nice on this, but there you go. Look at that. I think you got to look at it from this angle. So that's how Rotato is going to do us up today. So yeah, you can get this junk at Walmart. It's not bad. I mean, if you don't like the whole pumpkin spice deal that happens every year, stay away. You're not gonna dig it. But if you want to try something like this, it's like $1. It's $1.18. They've also got a turkey one, and I'll be reviewing that one closer to Turkey Day. So anyways, thanks for joining me. And please go visit www.theramenrater.com and get your fix of over 5,000 different instant noodles from around the world. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hey, get over here. Put your hands on top of your head. Walk. Walk over here. Put your hands on top of your head now. Turn around. Turn around. Go. Turn around. Hey! See where you're at.